Welcome to Kalson Train Station channel. All aboard, passengers. Woo! All aboard, passengers. Now, there's a story I'd like to tell you. See, during 2013, the elections were peaceful, be it that your candidate won or your candidate did not win, the elections were peaceful. That's how Kenya led tribalism during the 2013 elections. But when it came to 2017, the story changed. Tribalism led Kenya. There's one thing I want you to know. You cannot solve problems with problems. As in, you cannot repay evil with evil. You cannot do evil. Two wrongs do not make a right. That's one thing I want you, my subscribers, to know about. Two wrongs do not make a right. So, comment in the screen below. Until next time, make sure you hit the bell and like the video, or should I say pay for the train tickets. Until next time, this train has a new destination. Woohoo!